everyone, welcome to our blog.
Today, we're going to explore the world of distributed operating system, or simply distributed OS. We'll show you how this type of operating system connects multiple computers to work together as one, like a team sharing tasks and power.
As you can see in the image, the client, server, network, and database all work together, sharing resources and tasks through smooth data connections.
A distributed operating system is an OS that manages a group of independent computers and makes them appear as a single system.
In other words, it allows multiple computers or nodes to share resources, run applications, and complete tasks together efficiently.
How it works, it turns multiple computers into one unified system. You see a single main system, but your tasks are automatically shared across all the nodes. They work together, pooling their power and storage. Behind the scenes, this makes the whole system faster and more reliable than any single machine could be on its own.
So here's how it works. When you send a task, the distributed OS divides it into smaller parts. Each computer in the network handles one part of the task. After all the computers finish their parts, the system combines the result, completing the task faster and more efficiently.
The image shows us how one big task is divided into smaller parts. The main task in the center splits into several subtasks through branching arrows, showing step-by-step breakdown. This helps organize work, making complex goals easier to manage and complete efficiently.
So it's like teamwork. Each node contributes its power to achieve one goal.
Imagine you have a bunch of friends, and each of you has a special talent. Some are good at drawing, some are good at solving puzzles, and some are great at telling stories. Now, let's say you all want to work together on a big project, like making a cool comic book. A distributed operating system is like having a big team of friends working on a project together. Instead of one person doing everything, each friend or computer does a specific part of the job. For example, one friend might draw the characters, another friend might write the story, and another friend might color the pictures. But here's the clever part. Even though each friend is working on their own part of the project, they can all share their work with each other. So if the person drawing the characters finishes their part, they can pass it to the friend who's coloring the pictures, who can then add the colors without having to redraw everything. In the same way, a distributed operating system lets different computers share their work with each other. They can share things like memory, where they store information, processing power, how fast they can do things, and even files like documents or pictures. This makes it easier for them to work together on big tasks, like running complicated programs or handling lots of users at the same time. And just like how friends can help each other if one of them has trouble, computers in a distributed system can keep working even if one of them stops working properly.
Distributed operating systems are used in cloud computing, data centers, and large-scale web services like Google, Amazon, and Netflix. These systems handle millions of user requests every second while keeping performance smooth and fast.
Every time you watch a movie online, shop online, or search for something else, you are interacting with a distributed system hidden by a web page or an application. They are everywhere. All these companies are running highly scalable distributed systems in order to handle millions of users and petabytes of data, but providing you a seamless user experience as if you are interacting with a single system. Even the simplest website today hosted on a cloud is running on a distributed system, because cloud itself is a distributed system designed for companies and individual software developers.
These are the advantages: faster processing through parallel work, research sharing between systems, high reliability. If one node fails, others continue running.
The disadvantages of distributed OS is complex to manage and maintain. It needs stable network connection. Security can be a challenge due to multiple nodes. summing up, a distributed operating system allows multiple computers to work as one powerful system, sharing resources and completing tasks efficiently.
It's a perfect example of teamwork technology, reliable, fast, and built for large-scale operations.
And that's